Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Thetan Arena Gem token THG. And this requires you to have MetaMask installed. This requires you to have Binance Smart Chain added to your MetaMask, and this also requires you to have some BNB inside your MetaMask wallet. And if you don't know how to do all this, I have other videos showing you exactly how to do it, so I will leave links to these in the description. Now, when you have all this set up, you can go to pancakeswap.finance. I will leave a link to this website in the description as well. Then you can go to Trade Exchange. And also you will have to make sure that you're connected with your wallet to pancakeswap. And the next step is to go to CoinGecko. I will leave a link to this in the description as well. And you can see Thetan Arena THG. And then you can see info contract. So we will copy the contract address right here. Click to copy. Then we will go back to the exchange, the pancakeswap exchange. Then you can see swap, BNB, and cake in this case. So I will click on the cake token right here. And you can see select the token, then we will paste in the address that we copied from pancakeswap. And you can see THG right here, Thetan Gem via pancakeswap extended. So I will click on import. And I will click on I understand, and I will click on import. And by the way, make sure that it's the right contract address, because there can be scam tokens and wrong contract addresses. So CoinGecko is usually a good source to get your contract addresses from, but you can also do your own research, make sure that it's the right contract address by looking at the token's website and all that stuff as well. So in this case, I'm trusting CoinGecko. I won't do a large purchase, so I will click on import. And now I will swap BNB into THG token. I will select a very small amount, let's say 0.005 or something. And then I will get approximately 0.25 THG tokens. So I will click on swap. And I will click on confirm swap. And now I got a MetaMask notification. There's a small gas fee to pay, so make sure you're okay with the gas fee. And you can see the total amount that I will spend, approximately 0.006 BNB. So I will click on confirm. And you can see confirm transaction. So now I have my THG tokens. Went very quick. You can see it right here as well, the receipt. And you can see my balance now as well. So that's how you buy the THG token. I will also show you a video tutorial on how to earn passive income with your THG tokens by doing some yield farming with it. So I will leave a link to this video in the description as well. Hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.